Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Wasim. What Excel definition is exactly a software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel analysis is everywhere around the world and used by businesses of all sizes to perform financial analysis. What is Excel used for? Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at companies from small to large. The main uses of Excel include data entry, data management, accounting, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling, customer relationship management (CRM), almost anything that needs to be organized. The Excel software program includes many functions, formulas, and shortcuts that can be used to enhance its functionality. Now, we are time to time created very small videos, so it's easy for you to find out the topics and go through it. We are also working on different type of small projects and shortcuts, which will minimize your time. You can also see in the video. With Excel VBA, you can automate tasks in Excel by writing so-called macros. In this channel, you will learn how to create a simple macros. This channel also teaches you how to deal with macros errors in Excel. This channel also teaches you how to declare, initialize and display a variable in VBA. In this channel, you will learn how to work with dates and time in Excel VBA and how to create an Excel VBA user form and much more. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. That's all. I hope you will enjoy and learn Excel series. If you really enjoy that video, please like that video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.